Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Education World, and today we are going to discuss articles. Articles, there are two types. First, indefinite articles. They do not refer to any particular thing. A and an are indefinite articles. Definite articles, it points out to some particular person or thing. The is called as a definite article. So now let's see the use of a and an. The rule number 1 says we can use a and an with singular and countable nouns. Article a is used before singular nouns, starting with a consonant sound. For example, a tree, a house. Article an is used with the nouns starting with the vowel sound. Example, an egg, an elephant. There are certain points to remember. The first one says when the vowel gives a sound of U. We do not use and before the word, even though the word is starting with a vowel. For example, university. It gives the sound of U, so we do not apply and before it, we use a. Uniform. Again, the sound U comes, so we write a. Another point that we need to remember is we always use and before the words in which H remains silent, and the next word after H is a vowel, which is O. For example, an honest person. In this word, H is silent and O is a vowel, so we write and before it. And R. So these are the examples where H is silent and the sound of O is there, so we write and before it. Another one is we never use a or an with uncountable nouns. For example, give me a milk. So it's not possible. Milk is not countable. It is uncountable. So we cannot write a before it. It's not singular. Plural nouns. These are a books. Books are in plural number, so this is an incorrect sentence. We cannot use a before it. Proper nouns. Example, he is a John. Now John is a proper noun. We use a and an with jobs and occupations. For example, an engineer, a doctor, an officer, a lawyer. Now let's discuss the use of the. We use the before any noun, any adjective in superlative degree, names of rivers, seas or ocean, the Pacific, the Ganga, any mountain range or peaks or valleys, the Himalayas, the Aravallis, the sun, the moon, the earth, name of any nationalities, name of any country, the United States of America, name of any holy book, the Bible, the Gita, name of any newspaper or magazine, the Times of India, the Hindu, name of well-known building, the Taj Mahal, names of any trains, the Rajdhani Express, ships, the Titanic, are some examples where we use the. But we need to make sure where we cannot use the. There are certain points to remember. The number 1 point is we never use the with a proper noun. For example, I'll not say the Ram is a kind boy. I will not use the with a proper noun. An abstract noun. Health is wealth. Health and wealth are both untouchable. I can only feel it, but I cannot touch it, so it's an abstract noun. Material nouns, for example, children drink milk every day, and with the names of languages. For example, English. I will not use the English, the Hindi. Okay, I'm not. These are the languages I'm using. The Spanish, the Italian,